Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond on your iOS device. Playing console games on a mobile phone requires a special application called an emulator. Pokémon Brilliant Diamond was designed for the Nintendo Switch, so your iOS device cannot run it directly. An emulator acts like a virtual console, allowing your phone to mimic the original hardware. This process enables you to enjoy your favorite adventures on the go, transforming your mobile device into a portable gaming system. Choosing the right emulator is a crucial first step. Popular options for iOS include Delta and Provenance, each offering unique features and compatibility. It is important to research their installation methods, as some might require sideloading or using a developer account. Always check if the emulator specifically supports Nintendo Switch games to ensure a smooth experience. A good choice will provide stable performance and a user-friendly interface for your gaming. Next, you will need the game file itself, commonly known as a ROM. For legal and ethical reasons, it is recommended that you already own a physical copy of Pokémon Brilliant Diamond before acquiring its ROM. These files can sometimes be found online, but exercise extreme caution to avoid malware or illegal downloads. Alternatively, advanced users can dump the game file directly from their own Nintendo Switch game cartridge, ensuring a legitimate source. With your emulator selected and the game file ready, the final steps are straightforward. First, install the emulator onto your iOS device, carefully following its specific instructions. Then, transfer the Pokémon Brilliant Diamond ROM file to a location accessible by the emulator on your phone. Open the emulator application, navigate to where you saved the game file, and launch it. You can then adjust controls and other settings for the best possible gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.